famous landmarks with hidden secrets you didn't know about. Throughout the world, there are numerous iconic landmarks that captivate the imagination of millions of people. These landmarks, whether they are architectural marvels, natural wonders, or historical sites, often hold hidden secrets that add an extra layer of intrigue and mystery to their already fascinating stories. In this video, we will delve into the depths of 8 famous landmarks from around the globe and reveal some of the lesser-known secrets that lie within their walls. From hidden chambers to concealed messages, join us on this journey of discovery as we uncover the enigmatic secrets of these iconic landmarks. The Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the oldest and largest of the 3 pyramids in the Giza Pyramid Complex, has fascinated people for centuries. While its construction techniques and purpose remain subjects of debate, the pyramid still holds hidden secrets waiting to be unraveled. The Great Pyramid of Giza is an iconic marvel, standing tall and proud as the oldest and largest of the 3 pyramids on the Giza Plateau. Built over 4,500 years ago, it has withstood the test of time, making it one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Archaeologists have discovered intricate passageways, hidden chambers, and intricate hieroglyphs within the pyramid's labyrinthine structure. But one particular chamber has remained shrouded in secrecy, the King's Chamber. Muon radiography have suggested the existence of a hidden chamber within the pyramid. Could this chamber hold the key to understanding the pyramid's true purpose? The Statue of Liberty, United States. As a symbol of freedom and democracy, the Statue of Liberty stands proudly in New York Harbor. However, few people are aware that Lady Liberty's torch was once accessible to visitors. The statue was a gift from the people of France to the United States. Sculptor Frederick Augustus Bartholdi metal framework was created by Gustave Eiffel, the same engineer who later designed the Eiffel Tower in Paris. The Statue of Liberty holds several symbolic elements. The crown she wears represents enlightenment, with 7 spikes representing the 7 continents. In her left hand, she holds a tablet inscribed with the date of American independence, July 4, 1776. And in her right hand, she carries a torch, symbolizing liberty and enlightenment. Due to safety concerns, the torch was closed in 1916, but it is said that a secret observation deck still exists within the statue. This hidden vantage point offers a unique perspective of the city and the harbor. Machu Picchu, Peru. The exact purpose of Machu Picchu remains a subject of debate amongst historians and archaeologists. Some believe it served as a royal estate or retreat for Inca rulers, while others argue it was a religious and ceremonial center, or even a military stronghold. The true function of Machu Picchu may never be fully known. Machu Picchu, the ancient Incan citadel nestled high in the Andes Mountains, has long intrigued archaeologists and historians. While much is known about the remarkable site, recent studies using LiDAR technology have uncovered hidden structures beneath the dense vegetation surrounding the citadel. One of the most famous features of Machu Picchu is the Intihuatana stone, a sculpted rock pillar believed to have held spiritual and astronomical significance for the Inca people. The word Intihuatana means hitching post to the sun, suggesting its role in Inca rituals and astronomical observations. These findings suggest that Machu Picchu may have been a larger complex than previously believed, with more secrets waiting to be discovered. The Eiffel Tower, France. The Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of Paris, draws millions of visitors each year. Beyond its breathtaking views and intricate ironwork, the tower holds a secret apartment. It was originally intended to be a temporary structure. Built by Gustave Eiffel for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, World's Fair, it was initially met with mixed reactions from the public. Many people disliked its modern design and considered it an eyesore. However, over time, it gained popularity and was preserved as a permanent structure due to its value as a radio transmission tower. Gustave Eiffel, the tower's designer, had a private apartment at the top, which he used to entertain guests and conduct scientific experiments. Though closed to the public, the apartment remains fully furnished and serves as a time capsule for the tower's early years. The Great Wall of China. Stretching thousands of miles across China, the Great Wall is a testament to human engineering and perseverance. While many sections of the wall are open to visitors, some portions remain off-limits. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall of China was not built in a single period, but over several centuries. Construction began as early as the 7th century BC and continued for many dynasties, with the most extensive work occurring during the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644 AD. Constructing the Great Wall was an enormous undertaking that required the labor of millions of workers. Historians estimate that up to millions of people, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners, were involved in its construction at various times. In recent years, archaeologists have discovered hidden chambers and passages within the wall, suggesting that it served not only as a defensive structure, but also as a complex communication network. These secret passages provide vital intelligence and allowed swift movement along the wall. The Taj Mahal, India. The Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world, is renowned for its architectural beauty and romantic symbolism. The 4 minarets surrounding the Taj Mahal are constructed slightly away from the main structure. This architectural design was intentional to protect the mausoleum in case of a collapse. In the event of a mishap, the minarets are designed to fall away from the main building, reducing the potential damage. However, hidden within the Great Mausoleum lies a secret passageway. The Taj Mahal is meticulously designed to be perfectly symmetrical. Exception is the tomb of Shah Jahan, slightly off-center inside the main building. This was done to ensure that Shah Jahan's tomb is the only element that is not perfectly symmetrical, symbolizing his departure from the earthly world. The Taj Mahal features calligraphic inscriptions from the Quran, the holy book of Islam, as decorative elements. While most of the inscriptions are easily visible, there are a few hidden verses that are strategically placed and can be discovered by keen observers. Discovered in 2018, this hidden passage leads to a mysterious underground chamber, which is believed to have been used for the construction and maintenance of the monument. This chamber remains closed to the public. History to this majestic landmark. Colosseum, Italy. The Colosseum in Rome, Italy, stands as a magnificent testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Beyond its impressive architecture, this ancient amphitheater holds hidden secrets beneath its floor. Beneath the Colosseum lies a complex network of tunnels and passageways, known as the Hypogeum. These underground chambers were used to house animals, slaves, and gladiators, as well as for staging dramatic entrances and exits during the spectacles. To surprise the audience with dramatic appearances of animals during the games, the Colosseum had special elevators. These elevators were used to transport animals from the underground chamber to the arena level. Recently, archaeologists discovered a network of underground tunnels and chambers that were used to house gladiators, animals, and machinery for staging dramatic spectacles. These subterranean passages provide insight into the behind-the-scenes operation of the Colosseum. Conclusion: as we explored these 8 famous landmarks, it becomes clear that there is much more to these iconic sites than meets the eye. Hidden chambers, secret passageways, and concealed structures add layers of mystery and intrigue, inviting us to delve deeper into their stories. These discoveries remind us that even the most famous landmarks can still hold secrets waiting to be unveiled, inspiring us to continue our quest for knowledge and exploration. So, the next time you visit a famous landmark, remember to look beyond the surface and imagine the hidden secrets that may lie within its ancient walls. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share your precious thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching.